How would you define shame? Sometimes shame can be instilled from early childhood by harsh critical words or actions of parents or other authority figures, or from bullying by peers. Sometimes shame is an intense emotion that arises when you believe there is something fundamentally wrong with who you are. Now, it's deeply painful and isolating experience that can stem from feeling unworthy. And if feeling inadequate or humiliated, shame can easily just bring us down, making us feel that we don't deserve love and acceptance. This is really difficult, and it can be related to past traumas or your own belief systems. Overcoming shame requires compassion, self-acceptance and recognition. My name is Bina. I'm a clinical hypnotherapist. Thank you for listening.